All right, coach. Another victory, 5 from 5. First of all, how are you feeling?
Well, it's an overwhelming feeling for the win, you know. Very overwhelming feeling.
A tough team, Chapleton Maroons, coming here today, and you guys getting the victory overall. Did you expect the game to be this difficult?
Yeah, we expected a tough game. True to be fact, we know from we play our right game, we know them can't beat us.
So far, you guys have scored literally 2 goals every game when you play. What's it mean impact in scoring so much goals so far this season?
Well, just to know that it shows that we are doing the right thing, and we just have to continue to play like this, and we'll always be winning.
All right. Overall, what you take away from the opponents today? And what was the game plan coming to this game?
It was a game plan that we know they keep the ball a lot in position, so we just plan to just give them line 1 and break from line 2, and think it help us to come out victorious.
All right, coach. Congratulations again. Big up yourself on the win. I'll see you guys again, yeah?